Hi guys, Mike here with Rockland Custom Products. Wanted to show you a temp control that we've got coming off the line today. Temp control cabinets are very specialty cabinets used for med storage, blood storage, various other things that need to be temperature controlled in both heated and cooled environments. This is a rather large one we've got today. As you can see, we've got these dual doors here. Pop open our compression latches, open it up, and you've got a large temp control cabinet. You can put the medications in here. Bags with medications can go in here. Anything you need. It secures, closes tightly with those compression latches, really keeping it there. Of course, we have command function in this as well for the EMS supervisor. You got your whiteboard here, your whiteboard work surface. This allows you to work on the surface while also taking your notes and keeping accountability if it's necessary. Stores easily there. And of course, a simple drawer, but allows for storage. We've got our radio panel up top. We've left this open so they can cut and put everything in there exactly as they need to. Their Knox box, radios, USBs, anything they want. We've also got this nice area here. This is good storage for bags and gear. And in just a second, I want to show you the rear of the cabinet. So on the rear, you can see just a couple of features. Obviously, we've got this HDP cover for the back of the hose line. This allows easy access as well as maximum ventilation for the unit so it doesn't get overheated while it's functioning. Up here, we've got storage for a command board, bags, cones, whatever you need. And of course, this large area here with our seatbelt netting. And this allows for, again, even more storage, utilizing every inch of space is necessary when you're working with a command vehicle. Give us a call, send us an email. We can't wait to get you into the cabinet that you need.